Aqua Hydraulic specialized in manufacturing series of rubber hose assembly with hold equipment. Companies adhering to the people-oriented, science and technology, strict management, the pursuit of excellence purposes, and continuously forge ahead, it is keen to learn from international advanced technology innovation. We keep research and design. Now we have produced more than 30 type machines of 8 main sorts such as hose crimping machine, hose cutting machine, hose assembly, hose skiving machine, flexible axle crimping machine, nut crimping machine, and so on. They are widely used in navigation, military industry engineering machinery, and mine exploitation, steel, shipping manufacture, oil field, hydraulic machine, flexible axle produce, agricultural equipment, etc. Our products are popular all over the country and more than 40 countries in Southeast Asia, South America, Europe, Africa, and so on. We have made a rapid stride in exports and have acquired a respectable status. We look forward to adding you to our family of customers. Our company produces various specifications of the cylinder manufacture and adopts advanced technology and imported high-performance sealing element manufacturing at home and abroad. It has the advantages of reasonable structure, reliable performance, durable, stable starting, sensitive reaction, no leakage, the advantages of wide use value, high temperature, high pressure, high temperature, product performance, and international, the other large dust environment, comparable. It is suitable for use in various environments. The company has passed ISO 9001:2000 International Quality System Certification and CE certification to ensure that the user to provide quality products and services. We sincerely hope that with all the vendors to establish good relations of cooperation, the establishment of a good production, sales channels, to jointly develop the market, win-win benefit. We promise our maintenance of hydraulic hose crimping machine in all life, as long as it is our machine. packing structure of the hose crimping machine is scientific and reasonable, firm and safe, the material is economical, the appearance is beautiful and marketable, and it meets the requirements of long-distance transportation and multiple loading and unloading. Under normal storage and transportation, loading and unloading conditions, it is guaranteed that the product will not be damaged or seriously deformed and affect the quality of the product for at least 1 year from the date of delivery. Our machine die mold table can hold the entire machine, which can be packed into only one wooden box, reducing a large amount of freight costs for customers. This hose crimping machine is mainly used for buckling processing for high-pressure rubber pipe assembly in the mechanical engineering. It can also be used for buckling the two-way bends, especially large bends and irregular shape bends. This machine features small and portable appearance, big force, low noise, and easy to operate. The buckling amount can be precise, adjusted through a scale. It makes the mold base division to be more even through the double inclined plane 8-flap mold seat equipped with a high accuracy guiding device. The DX series products are our hot sale hose crimping machine. Our wholesalers import this model regularly because it is durable and user-friendly way. Model DX series hose crimping machine is mainly used for buckling processing for high-pressure rubber hose assembly in the mechanical engineering. It can also be used for buckling the two-way bends, especially large bends and irregular shape bends. The machine features small and portable appearance, big force, low noise, and easy to operate. The buckling amount can be precise, adjusted through a scale. It makes the mold base division to be more even through the double inclined plane 8-flap mold seat equipped with a high accuracy guiding device. This hose crimping machine is widely used in hose fitting assembly workshop or on-site repair service. It may be the most classic equipment for pressing 1/4 to 2/4 layers hydraulic hoses. Digital touchscreen operation panel, simple operation and high accuracy. With large working stroke, even elbow fitting can be crimped, fin power style hose crimper. All parts are imported from famous brand, durable operating performance. The advanced technology make the crimper offer high accurate fabrication and rapid crimping cycles. There are 13 sets of standard dies. Different sizes of dies makes the hose crimper become multipurpose machinery. With quick change tool that will definitely release your hands and improve your working efficiency. With dies rack, dies could be kept and picked up or equipped very quickly. Comparing our P32 model, P52 is with dies stand and it will be more easy for you to install and stock your dies. HC150 is strongest crimping and swaging machine. Provide a variety of larger mold sets, power, speed, and precision combined in one machine. This crimping machine is ideal for crimping hydraulic hoses up to 2-inch 1/4 6 spirals and industrial hose up to 6, with special dies. 3 operation modes: manual, semi-automatic, and full automatic. 7-inch touch screen. Set the buckle size. Set the opening amount. Set error compensation. Set pressure holding time. It can store buckle programs. Dispenser with patented quick change tool equipped. Famous brand PLC control with 7-foot color touchscreen display, double speed operation. Self-lubricating moving components. Silent pump, low noise. 6 o'clock fixed position of the die for greater stability of the hose during crimping. Particularly narrow crimping head to crimp hose ends with large flanges or 90 degrees fittings. It is convenient to buckle the special shaped elbow.